Hi Virgo, this is your channel. Okay, hi Virgo. I was supposed to do Gemini. You might be connecting to a Gemini. Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I swear that was on autopilot. There's something about autopilot, or someone's a pilot, okay? Or we're getting a you are driving, you're driving it, not vroom. I mean my car, not driving. You're, what do you call it? You steer it, you steer the steering wheel. I'm getting you're flying. I don't know what that means. We're getting something about a pilot, okay? Or a co-pilot, okay? Something like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your compatibility relationship spread. Let's go. So let's see what your desires are. Virgo, sorry. We have the King of Wands coming out first. So I'm getting you want somebody tall, dark, and handsome. It's look like Burna Boy. You want Burna Boy? You want Burna Boy? Will you still, if you're there with Burna Boy, would you jealous? Would you be jealous? Because you know, same sing a song was say, all of the best boom boom, they are Kingston. So me buy a Birkin, for Jada Kingdom. You think the pillow talk argument is going to be like, wow, I sucked his dick so much last night and he did not buy me a Birkin bag. What the fuck did Jada Kingdom do? Right? Maybe this is what it is. But me getting King of Wands. So me getting you want one athlete, you want one basketball player, you want one Blue Jays baseball player, or I don't know what the fuck you want. You want reggae boys? You want to athlete, me getting you want one athlete. If dark, tall, and handsome. And you want one man who do this for a living. So maybe you want to take advantage of him being on BS training and you being at home and being taken care of. Me getting you want the military lifestyle wife type of thing. It looked pretty on social media, but it's hell. Anyways, what is their desires? Their desires is a hierophant. Them want it too. So I'm getting you meet an athlete, them want monogamy. I'm getting somebody trains on base almost all season. So you don't have summers with them, you might not even have Christmas with them. But when they are not in season, them come back. But I'm getting somebody loyal. Now loyalty can mean I'm not gonna pay the other cheese and them now. Me getting when somebody on base before them train, all them do a look on you. I'm like, oh, my girlfriend's texting me. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Me getting that's how you stay, that's what you want. Because me getting you cannot have a normal girlfriend, normal life. Because you train, like 6 months you train. And if there's anything I know about athleticism, you cannot bring girls to the dorm, right? You can't. You have to actually celibacy. You have to depend on a celibacy streak. If you're an athlete, that means you can't have sex. And if you do have sex, usually some type of long distance relationship vibe. Because me getting you train 6 months, you come off, and then as season come back on, you're gone again. So you don't have a lot of time, but you are monogamous, okay, Gemini? So I do see monogamy here. So somebody look very nice, they don't even look monogamous. But I'm getting somebody look good, them smell nice, I'm getting they are. That's what they want. Them don't want share, them want come back to you after season. I feel like I got this reading before. The theme of it is the Emperor, yeah. I'm getting someone's very serious, or somebody's going to be a pro athlete in the future. I'm getting somebody that will get signed to a big league, big name. I'm getting somebody has not told you how much money them have. I feel like somebody know in 2 years another house will sign them. So I'm getting somebody's like, just trust me. Just trust me. The only thing you have to do right now, you gotta trust them by long distance first. And so when them come back off a season, they're gonna make the first decision as to how deep them want to go into being with you, whether they're gonna move in with you or blah blah blah. But we're getting someone's like, trust me, just trust me. I know you don't understand. I know I'm not like you, but just trust me. Somebody's asking you to trust them. Them can't lead this properly, but them need you to trust them. The challenge is a fool card. The challenge is you don't know if you can trust them because you way over there, them way over here. You don't know what somebody has sneak off and doing. No, this is, I also feel like, I'm not trying to guilt trip you, but I'm getting if you're there with this guy and then you decide that you don't want to be in a long distance relationship anymore and you break up with the guy while him in his season, you're gonna fuck up him shit. I'm getting somebody that tell you to break up with this man right before him go on and play. So him can't lose. Or some people can say, see, you only was good or on this team because of who you was with. So I'm getting me an answer if you go on the man, please, on him off season. I'm not telling you to fuck on him because the Hierophant is here. But please don't fuck on the man and tell him before game and fuck up him game. Jesus Christ, Blue Jay go and know say you say just blue. You see the girl here? Hashtag girl with the blue pussy? Yeah man, she fuck up the blood clot, Blue Jay. No, yeah man, she left the man right before the man for Batman. Hey, bada. It look like the man swing too far, right? This is what I'm saying. Now the whole Blue Jays way know you've been a girl who cut the blood clot game because yeah, the Blue Jays guy, he was with her, right? Yeah, pussy don't know, that's why them lose. You see what happened to the other guy when he was with Taylor Swift? Because that's a winning. Taylor Swift knew her pussy was gold when she adopted cats and not dogs. Anyways. And somebody afraid for you for break up. Somebody don't want take a picture, put it on them screensaver, bring you go practice with them, and show everybody say your girlfriend and you go fuck on them and then find out this in the blogs. You a dirty hoe if you do that. I'm an advocate for fucking for fame. I'm an advocate for fucking for what you want, for fucking for money. Do not fuck for free women, right? But what I will not advocate is you can't fuck on a man who will treat you good and give you what you want. And you're going to tell me say because you're bored. You're bored. So you're telling he's taking care of you. He's not talking to any other bitches. And you're going to tell me say you're bored. Maybe you need to take some time to learn yourself. The time when you use on board, you should have used it and introspect and say, why is it that my click can't stay in one place? That's what the fuck you should have done. Anyways, let's just go to your emotional compatibility. 3 on 1s. So I'm getting a lot of groupies are going to be around your man. It's up to your man to tell the groupies, don't! Shh! You have to shh. Tell him to walk with beer gun and shh. Roach spray. Anytime you see girls and they want to touch him, shh. You can spray it, yeah? Don't mace them, just spray them with road spray. Me getting him have a lot of groupies because he's an athlete. Girls will be like, oh my god, can you sign my breast for me? Your man can't sign them breasts. He can't look on it, touch it, or even in hand can't even scrape them nipple. If they want you to sign your breast, then you can't sign them breasts. You can be cordial among the commoners. That's no problem, I'm not jealous. But make me see a blood clot number exchange. Pussy hole. I bet you say now win one more blood clot match. I bet you Blue Jays never blood clot. What is your physical compatibility? The lovers, both on okay. So I'm getting you're more attracted to her than she is to you. Or I'm getting both on I find power in being more wanted than wanting a man. That's why I find power there. Not that I'm going to take it and use it against the man. I'm not going to make the man have blue balls every day and withhold sex from him. That's not what I'm talking about. But I'm saying women, it's better to be more desired. I bet the man come in at 3 minutes. That's what I'm saying. This is the idea. This is what we want. Okay? We want you to come fast. That's what we want you to do, right? Because that's how we know you like. Hey, anyways, yeah, so your physical compatibility, I'm getting he's very much attracted to you. Him don't know if you're off on him though. That's why he's willing to make a commitment to you, go to him, practice for once at a time, send your money, still talk to you every day, and still want to maintain a connection with you. Because I'm getting him really like you. Like is an understatement. We're getting on a very physically compatible with each other. That's why I'm willing to wait. So can you wait? Can you wait? Can you wait? One more. We have the mental compatibility, the star card. Yep, I'm getting somebody know that you can handle this. Maybe you're a star too. If them is an athlete, they're a star also. So I'm getting mentally, it's easy. People are gonna make you jealous. Things that are in the blogs about, oh, the Blue Jays basketball caught in club with another girl. They're gonna do all type of things to fuck up on the shit because only in an industry. But me getting, you have to believe you're a man or you're a woman, unless it's the proof. Cause me getting him is a celebrity, you might be a celebrity too, or you're a celebrity because of him. So you can't be posting your pictures on Instagram, naked pictures on Instagram, knowing say, yep. For example, your man play for blood clot Blue Jays, and you're on Instagram showing your body like this. Or me getting a so you, I don't know what you do, but me getting a so you represent yourself, and your man is an athlete. I don't know if your man embarrassed about this or your man not say nothing to you because you already know the whole team. You know him, Dada, Buck, yeah, Buck. She likes buck, right? All buck know how your cloth whole look, right? Buck know how you look. How is this possible? And you're there with the athlete. So I'm getting, you need to get your shit together. Is the man paying your bills? Him I left us 3 months alone in the blood clot house. He can do anything you want in the house alone. He can walk around naked, right? Me not tell if you go bring the blood clot man in the house, right? Okay, great. Or again, maybe this is what you do for work. People know if you take off your clothes. Me getting your man don't care. Your man's like, hey, hey, bada, I swing and I catch it. So I don't care. And I'm getting your man don't feel bad about it. Maybe a man like the fact that you're this way, so him know say enough fuck it easy. Rather than him take up a girl who are very inexperienced, and as soon as another person come our way to swear, to break up with you, or to find you so you can fuck up your whole game, your season, right? You don't want to deal with that. Your handler. So share your handler or you are for your own. One of them. But me getting the argument of right before you play, right before you audition, she for fuck on you. So you better run with that blood clot girl there. Run with that bird there. Go outside. Handle her and go outside. We have cursed. We have internet and program. And we got guru. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye bye.